In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating IMAP user mailboxes to Office 365 using the RecoveryTools IMAP Backup Wizard. To install our IMAP to Office 365 migration tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Enable batch mode option for migrating multiple users simultaneously. Use the folder icon button to select the CSV file containing user's email address and password. Select the users you want to migrate. Now, enter IMAP host and IMAP port number. After that, click Next. All users' mailboxes and their folders are now visible on the left side. Check on checkbox to select the user folders that you want to migrate. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for migration. Let's select Office 365 option for this tutorial. Go to Filter Options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the migration, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. Now go back to the backup option. Save messages in default folder option when enabled will migrate emails into their corresponding default folders, such as inbox to inbox and sent to sent, ensuring the original mailbox structure is maintained. Select I am admin to migrate multiple mailboxes using a global administrator account. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. For example, if the source mailbox uses English folder names, such as inbox or sent items, and the destination mailbox uses a different language, such as French. Enabling this option ensures that emails are migrated to the correct corresponding folders instead of creating new ones. Enter the Microsoft 365 Global Administrator email. Export to primary mailbox option moves the data into the user's main mailbox, making emails immediately available for daily access and regular communication. Export to in-place archive mailbox option moves the data into the archive mailbox, mainly used for storing old, inactive, or compliance-related emails without cluttering the main inbox. Next, simply click the backup button, and the program will redirect you to the Microsoft Graph API Authentication window to grant the required permissions. Start the Microsoft Authentication process and sign in using the Microsoft 365 Global Administrator account. The API Permissions Request window will open automatically. Review the required permissions and scopes, then click Accept to complete the authorization. If you are signed in as a global administrator with the required permissions, an authentication successful message will be displayed. After this, the program will load all available mailboxes. You can select the required users to start the migration. The software also provides a CSV mode, which allows you to load Microsoft 365 users as per your requirement. The CSV file must be in a simple format with username and email address, as per Microsoft 365. Click Next. The program will automatically map accounts based on usernames. To modify the mapping as required, use the Select option to choose the users. After that, click on the Convert button, and the migration will start. Once the migration is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully migrated IMAP user mailboxes to Office 365. Click OK, and open the Office 365 user mailboxes to check the migrated emails. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.